If you're wondering how to use CoConstruct for client communication effectively, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into CoConstruct and how it can streamline communication between you and your clients. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of how to make your project smoother, more transparent, and hassle-free. Plus, I'll share how you can access CoConstruct for completely free with some exclusive bonuses through the first link below, so make sure to check that out. Let's get right into it. The first thing you should know is that CoConstruct is designed to improve communication by keeping everyone on the same page. It offers a platform where you can share project details, timelines, and updates with your clients, all in one place. No more endless email chains or missed messages. Clients can access real-time updates, so they're always informed about the project's progress. Next thing, CoConstruct provides a client portal where your clients can view and interact with project information. They can access schedules, budgets, and selections directly from the portal. This transparency ensures that both you and your clients are aligned on project expectations, reducing misunderstandings. Clients can even send you direct messages or ask questions, which you can respond to within the platform, keeping everything neatly organized. The third thing to mention is CoConstruct's messaging system. This feature allows you to send messages directly to clients within the app, and you can organize them by project. This is especially useful when you need to reference specific tasks, milestones, or decisions made in the past. Everything is stored securely, so you can look back on conversations and keep a detailed record, which adds another layer of professionalism. Next up, CoConstruct allows you to send automated notifications to clients. Whether it's project updates, changes to the schedule, or when approvals are needed, you can set up notifications to ensure your clients never miss an important update. This keeps communication flowing effortlessly and saves you time, especially when you're juggling multiple projects. The fifth thing I want to highlight is CoConstruct's ability to integrate with other software you might already be using, like QuickBooks or Xero. This means that financial updates, invoices, and budgets can be shared with your clients directly through CoConstruct, ensuring that they have everything they need for accurate tracking. Plus, you won't have to switch between platforms to manage your project's finances and communication. Now, here's something you might not have known. You can also upload and share photos, documents, and even drawings within the CoConstruct platform. If you need to show your client a visual update or reference a particular detail, you can upload these directly to the project so everyone's on the same page. This visual clarity can be a game changer in avoiding confusion. Finally, CoConstruct offers real-time project tracking. You can give your clients access to detailed progress reports, letting them see how things are moving along. This makes it easier to keep track of deadlines and milestones, so both you and your client know exactly where things stand at any given moment. And don't forget, the video mentioned that you can access CoConstruct for completely free through the first link below,